First things first, if you like this video, then give it a big fat thumbs up and share this video on Twitter. Yes, Twitter is not going anywhere, and so is Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and even YouTube. This week, a lot of users, or say creators or influencers, were going over the board and writing farewell messages. Yes, some of them were pure sarcasm, but others were quite serious. So just to clear the picture, Twitter is in talks with Indian government to sort the problem out. They say that it is critical to adopt a collaborative approach. Whereas speaking for Facebook and WhatsApp, well, they're going to stay as well. Hi, you're watching India Today Tech. I am Pavni Jain, and this is our latest hashtag Let's Get Techie Q&A video, where we answer your tech-related problems. So do the same if you have any other query. Just type your question in the comment box. Use the hashtag Let's Get Techie, and we will take it in the next week's video. Let's get started. First question is from Suraj Santosh, and he writes, Hey Pavni, hi Suraj. How can we buy smartphones or other gadgets which are exclusively released in countries like China and USA, Europe, etc.? Even if I manage to get one, will I face any region-specific issues like system language or after-sales support? Yeah, it's a very good question, Suraj. I think the easiest way to get that device is whenever you're traveling to that country, just buy it yourself, or you can ask someone to buy the device and get it from there. But I really don't think so how feasible this option is, keeping the travel restrictions in mind during this pandemic. The other way is to get it ordered from an e-commerce website, but you will end up paying at the customs something, So in terms of usage, there shouldn't be any problem. However, you should keep the after sales service in mind, because suppose you are getting a device from the US, so I don't think so it will be easy to get it repaired and fixed in India. So you should be keeping that in mind before buying a device outside India. Abhay Kumaran says, Hi Pavni, hey Abhay. What's your opinion about buying a better 4G phone for use for next 2 years under 20k? Well Abhay, there is no harm in buying a 4G network smartphone. Even if the 5G network arrives, which is actually at its initial stage in the country, you will be able to use 4G smartphone for next 4 to 5 years. And this is not me saying it, the Indian government has said so in its official release. And for more 5G related questions and your positive response on the question that I asked you guys in the previous video, that if you want a separate video on 5G technology and its application in India, so let me share it with you guys, that I've already shot it. So it is going to be my next video on this channel. So stay tuned to India Today Tech YouTube channel. Also consider subscribing it, and also hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss out on that important video. Next question. Iklavya says, I have confusion between Samsung A52 for 28k and 1.5 years old Samsung S10 Lite for 34k. Which is value for money? Samsung A52, which has been launched recently. Because this phone comes with higher resolution camera, it has a 64 megapixel main shooter, and it also comes with the latest Android version. No, it's not Android 12, but it is Android 11 as of now. And speaking of the display, it is double the refresh rate of 120Hz in comparison to Samsung S10 Lite. So I would pick A52 in front of S10 Lite. Anurag Chakrabarti says, is Google Pixel 4a better than iPhone 12 Pro Max? I have a very short answer and a very long answer, but who is in a hurry? Let's begin and let's break it down in points. Point number 1. iPhone 12 Pro Max has a lot to offer in comparison to Pixel smartphone. It has got 3 cameras on the rear panel, 12 megapixels each. As for clicking selfies, iPhone 12 Pro Max comes with 12 megapixel front shooter as well. In terms of battery, this phone has got bigger battery and with faster charging speeds in comparison to Pixel smartphone. Actually, there are a few more major differences between these two phones in terms of specifications. Point number 2. It is actually unfair to compare these two smartphones, and the reason being is their price and specifications. Pixel 4a comes with a price tag of Rs 30,000, whereas iPhone 12 Pro Max is company's latest device which is priced over 1 lakh rupees. This is the reason why there is a humongous difference between the features included in these two smartphones. And the last point being is that it is not about which phone is better. Both the phones that you mentioned are not from the same category and target different kinds of users. So for the price they come with, it is actually value for money smartphones. Varun Jain says, "Hi Pavni, I want to purchase a mobile. My budget is 25k. I'm confused that should I go for 5G mobile or something else, as 5G technology is yet to come and their plans will be expensive." Oh Varun, if you're confused because of the 5G technology, then please don't be. Just pick a good mobile phone that should fulfill all your requirements. It could be better cameras, fast performance, or long day battery life, or whatever, anything. But if your budget is 25,000 rupees, I would suggest considering Xiaomi's Mi 10i or Poco X3 Pro. Also, if you're not in a hurry, then I would say wait for OnePlus to launch its latest successor of the OnePlus Nord. I don't think so it should be priced more than 25,000 rupees. Should be somewhere around that price tag. So you can wait and see which one to buy. Anubhav Nagre writes, "Hello, hi, Vivo X60 or iQOO 7. Which is best to buy for battery?" Oh, actually there is not much to choose between these two phones. One of them comes with slightly bigger battery, the other one offers fast charging speeds. Actually both of them have similar display and processors, so the battery consumption will be the same, so do not worry about it. Well, that's all for today's video. Now you know the drill. Like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to India Today Tech. Also hit the bell icon if you want to watch the 5G video that is going to be the next on our channel. Thank you. Keep watching.